Okay, hello class. Of course, I will not be there in class tonight, as I've already committed to volunteering at the City Union Mission this evening. So I figured that, hey, we are in a technology class, that maybe it would be prudent, hey, if I could, still be there for my team by providing this video and load it up to YouTube with my part of the presentation. So my part of the presentation was on software safeguards, and that pretty much what I labeled out here was to safeguard your company's infrastructure. The first thing you want to do is monitor your employees and make sure that they're not accessing data that could be potentially harmful to the infrastructure, and having some type of software application that can do that. There's a lot of things. There are a lot of applications out there that can monitor, employee activity, and take screenshots of their computer to find out exactly what it is that they're doing. You can also do desktop remote. You can have your IT department. They can remote into the end users, the workers' computer, to see exactly what they're doing throughout the day. For example, if they've had a trend of going out to websites that are inappropriate, they can log on in intervals on that employee's computer to find out exactly what they're doing or what they're working on, or what websites are they visiting, how long were they staying on those websites, and so they can have something to compare as far as if they're working or if they're not working. So that's one of the ways that you can safeguard your infrastructure. Another way, which most people are familiar with is to have a network firewall. That in itself is going to be the number one thing that a company can do, is to invest in good security software. So also, one of the most prevalent used communication venues is email. Most people use Outlook. I know some companies use Lotus Notes. But to have some type of email virus scan that can, scan emails as they come in, can recognize potentially harmful emails before a worker or end user actually opens that email, and to scan it for, and to get rid of it, discard it before it causes problems. And also, a knowledge base for the IT department is also great to safeguard, as there's always problems that come up, and if a IT worker or a system admin can go back and reference previous issues that have occurred pretty quickly, then they can pretty much get to a problem, fast enough before it spreads, that it could potentially cause more issues with the infrastructure. So these are just a few things that a company can do to, especially if you're a startup, kind of very basic things that you can do to safeguard your infrastructure. And these are some of the software platforms that you could utilize. So anyways, I hope you guys have a good class tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday. Have a great night. Later.